So, hi dear Aquarius, a very, very good evening, good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot card messages for you guys from 19th till the 25th of August. You can take it as messages or guidance or like your answers to your spiritual questions. Sometimes you get answer with these kind of readings. A lot of times it happens with me. Okay, so let's start. And if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay. Aquarius, 7 days, 7 messages for Aquarius people for this week. Transformation today you are going to feel like a rebirth. You are going to feel like something is dying in you. At the same time, a new energy is emerging. I think you are going to practice a lot of silence today, or you are going to keep your mouth shut, and you're going to feel like the more you are going to keep in your mouth keeping the more you're going to keep your mouth shut, and the more you're going to keep your energies down, the more you're transforming into some other level of human being, some other level of spiritual growth or spiritual kind of energies. I do see a major transformation happening by the end of the day. It could be a realization, it could be a dying of a habit, it could be energy of you finding yourself a little bit unusual in a very, very positive way for today. Let me know by the end of the day. For the 20th of August, we have the trust. Yes, just trust the process, trust the universe, jump into the unknown. You might feel like, what the hell is happening? Everything is shifting, everything is changing. I'm not able to make sense of anything or anyone. Don't try to. Don't try to. Just trust the process, trust the universe. Like, just jump into the unknown, and the universe knows what it's doing for you. And trust me, you are going to land in the safe place or safe energy. It again, I don't know if it is going to be a blessing or lesson, but whatever it is very, very important for your growth, for as a soul, not as a human. So we all are souls living a human experience, not the other way around. Keep on reminding yourself that, right? On 21st of August, going with the flow. I think this whole week is about you and the universe talking to each other, and like you are like, what should I do? And the universe is kind of giving you the answer, honey, just go with the flow. Trust me, just go with the full flow. Don't try to swim. Don't try to go against the waves, or don't try to even do anything. Just go with the flow. Just chill and go with the flow, and let me handle it. Universe talking to you. Okay, okay. Yeah, maybe it's a message for me for today as well, because I was so frustrated. Well, last night, because of my mom's health. Anyways, 19, 20, 21, 22nd, we have the sharing. Yeah, sharing is caring. The more you are going to share your love, your energies, your positivity, your light with others, the more you are going to get out of the universe in the form of universal blessing, universal love, and a lot of positive energies are coming towards you. But all you have to do is start sharing and caring with others, but not with this intention, because I'm going to do that, I'm going to get it from the universe multifold. No, do it without any kind of intentions. Do it without any kind of this energy of I'm going to get because I am going to do that. I have seen people doing charity work because they feel like, if I'm going to do that, universe is going to bless me many folds. Yes, definitely. But if you are going to do it with this kind of, what we call that, it's politics. It's like faking it. It's like just bribing the universe or something. Don't do that. Do it with all of your heart and soul. And if you're not able to do that with all of your heart and soul, don't do that. Do it when you feel like now you can do it from heart and soul. Then do that without any kind of expectation. Okay, this is the message here. 19, 20, 21, 22. Yeah, 23rd of August, we have the aloneness. This is this aloneness is very good. It's not loneliness, it's aloneness. You are going to detach yourself from people or situation. You are going to feel extremely spiritual. You're going to feel like, I need time for myself. I need to go on my journey, on my soul, on my path, like alone only. Even if you have a full-fledged family, you're going to feel like, I need my time. I need some kind of alone time. I have to be my own light. I have to be my own sunshine. So I have to go on this path alone. Nobody else, or nothing else, or no one else can help me to get out of this. So I have to be my own light. I have to get out of this, and I have to find my own path. It's like some kind of spiritual awakening from inside, and you feeling yourself in this position of spiritual awkwardness, and realizing that you need time for yourself and you need to go on this path alone. You are going through major spiritual awakening and major spiritual growth this particular week, knowingly or unknowingly. Yeah. For the 24th of August, we have the postponement. So on the 24th, you might find yourself being restless or being like, I have to do something right now. It's very important for me. Restlessness and this energy of I want it, I want it, I want it. The more you are going to get that, the more the universe is going to create delays for you, because it's trying to teach you patience. Or take it the other way around. If you are postponing something from a very long time and you feel like you should do it, just do that. If you're getting restless about something or someone and you feel like I should do it, I should do it, don't do that. Postpone the idea until unless you're in a calm mind, calm space of mind. Until unless you are in this energy of okay, now I can make my choices and decisions with a wise and calm and composed mind. Don't do that. Okay, just postpone, calm down, relax, and then do that. Then take the action for whatever it is. Last message, maturity on the 25th of August. All of your wisdom, knowledge, and everything that you have gained till now, till this point of time, that is going to be tested in some way, shape, or form. Something is going to arise, some kind of situation might arise that is going to help you to understand your own power, that you're mature enough, understanding enough, you have grown enough that you can take your decision, make your choices, make your decision in a mature and beautiful way. So on the 25th of August, you are going to make choices and decisions that's actually good for everything and everyone that's involved in that situation, because of again the wisdom and the experiences and that everything that you have gone through. And it's like you eating your ego in some way, shape, or form, even though your ego is going to tell you to do something that's not that much good. But your maturity, your experience, your wisdom, your knowledge is going to tell you like, no, don't let the ego win, don't let the mind win. Do things that is actually good for everything and everyone that's involved in the situation. Really cool, really cool. Okay, that is what I have for you. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.